We will tell you the 17 habits that could make you rich. These are the habits that the millionaires follow. You could easily become a millionaire if you follow these habits. Watch this video till the end, or you may miss the chance of becoming rich. Now let's start. 1. Failure to divest passing the time. If you want to become rich, you can't afford to sit on your money. The term cash broke is used often by the rich to describe their financial situation. Is it a sign that they owe money? No. Which is to say, they are never want to sit on big quantities of cash. It's the mentality of receiving money and spending it. If you want to attain the heights of absolutely rich people, your money must be actively contributing to your success 24/7. 2. Focusing on the signal, not the noise. The practice of keeping a top-down perspective of one's personal balance sheet is the most significant lifestyle habit of affluent families. They don't spend a significant amount of time on the particulars since their primary objective is to grow their overall net worth from one year to the next. They have highly skilled individuals who are working on the details, often known as noise, and who are able to dive deep whenever it is considered necessary. The signal, as opposed to the noise, should be the focus of your attention at all times. Press the subscribe button and like button to know amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich. 3. Living below your means. The key to lifelong financial success is to always live below your means. My father, who began our company back in 1959, would teach from the mountain summits. This is absolutely true. This one aphorism has made my life more rewarding, deeper, and richer than it would have been otherwise. 4. Avoiding making interest payments. Please do not pay any interest. This has been something that a great many individuals have shared with me over the years, and it is true. You will wind up spending twice or even 3 times the worth of that thing that you bought on sale in a hurry if you're paying high interest rates over a lengthy period of time. It is equivalent to paying an excessive price to buy anything that is on sale at a discount of 40% by using the store credit card, which has a revolving interest rate of 24.9% on an open balance. Debt from mortgages is the one and only exemption. 5. Keeping track of both your income and our expenses. It is a result of cash flow that one may achieve financial independence. Monitoring one's sources of income and spending on a regular basis is a smart habit. A person is unable to accumulate wealth via savings and investing if they spend every dollar of their income on their own personal consumption. What really matters is not how much money you make, but how much money you spend. 6. Appreciating the time they dedicate. Just hire someone else to clean your home if the time you save compared to doing it yourself is more. It just takes me 2 hours to go food shopping, make all of my purchases, and return home, so I can easily earn $XX. To pay someone else to do it, I will need to set aside $X in tips. By removing these obstacles, output is boosted, leading to an increase in value. 7. Making a dot list and a budget. Developing a strategy to achieve one's life objectives, including a budget, is a crucial and necessary exercise. Decisions made on a daily basis must be based on this strategy, and progress toward that goal must be reviewed often. 8. Crafting a strategic insurance plan. Insurance is a tool that the rich utilize strategically. Unlike the majority of people, they don't rely just on insurance to compensate for income lost while they're employed. The rich often include insurance into their tax strategies, inheritance plans, and even family banking. 9. Attending consistent meetings with their financial advisors. The most effective practice that I have seen among the rich is meeting with their financial advisors at least once a year to review their financial situation. People who have access to wealth-related financial data, such as accountants, financial advisors, and estate planning teams, are in a better position to help the rich comprehend and manage their money. 10. Appreciating their tax base and unrealized gains from their investments. Being aware of the tax basis and unrealized gains in one's portfolio is something that a lot of my wealthy customers do. A simple method to make sure you never pay more tax on capital gains than is absolutely required is to take advantage of chances to harvest tax losses, as long as it aligns with your overall investment plan. 11. Keeping to a set amount. To me, it all comes down to getting the fundamentals right, and for a lot of people, that means having a budget and adhering to it. With so many bills already scheduled to be paid automatically, and since nobody carries cash anymore, it's easy to lose sight of where your money is going each month. Analyze it to find areas where you can cut costs or find ways to save more money. 12. Regularly putting money aside. Investment is a regular part of the lives of the rich. Make sure you consistently invest a sum that is suitable for your financial situation. The importance of habit and consistency cannot be overstated when it concerns investing. One option is to set up an automated system that transfers money from your paycheck straight into your investing account. This is something you should start doing right now. And as your income grows, you should put more money in. Pick a level and frequency that you're willing to stick to over time. 13. Making plans for the near and far future. Create a strategy to reach your financial objectives, evaluate them often, and set reasonable targets. Many individuals have lofty goals like retire at age X or save Y amount by age Z. But it's difficult to determine whether you're really making progress toward them unless you have a specific strategy. Making plans, both short and long term, keeping tabs on progress, and making adjustments as you go are all essential. 14. Maximizing their financial assets. A personal finance habit of the rich is to always have their money moving in the direction of their goals. In other words, start a company or invest your money wisely so it may expand. Always find ways to put your lazy money to work. 15. Getting a handle on money matters. Money is only one area where most individuals fail to understand that one's philosophy controls their behaviors, which in turn dictate their result. Aim to become financially literate and have an insatiable appetite for learning more about money management. If you commit to learning about money management on a regular basis, you can amass riches that will last a lifetime. 16. Taking reasonable chances. You shouldn't be scared to take calculated chances once you know your risk tolerance. This idea works for investing as well as for running a company. You should seek out information and associate with those who can guide you to the next level so that you may make a well-informed choice. Depending on your comfort level, a financial advisor may help you take small risks. 17. Read more and more books. Millionaires have the habit of reading books all the time. They invest their money into their knowledge and not on useless stuff like cars, mobile phones, jewelry, or any other items. They spend their money on buying books related to personal finance and then complete the full book and note down the important points. It's very important for you to do the same because this will help you to understand personal finance the most and will help you to manage your money easily. You could also read the summary of all the books, or even learn the main points of the books from Google. You could download the ebook from many free sites available and read it online. You see, we all started our journey of life reading books. Since our childhood, we have been reading the alphabet and words and all, and that's why we could speak and write very fluently. If you will do the same with money, then you will handle it more easily, and I can guarantee you that you will become rich also. Once you could master the skills of money, no one could stop you from getting rich, but this will be achieved only if you learn about it and spend some time on understanding the concept of money. You could read books like The Millionaire Next Door, Rich That Poor Dad, Psychology of Money, and many other books. We will be soon uploading a video on the best books you should read so that you could become rich. For that, you need to subscribe to our channel to get notified. And if you want to listen to the audiobooks, then subscribing to our channel would be the best choice. Also, press the like button in addition and share this video with all of your friends. Add a comment below if you are having any queries. Now, if you want to know whether you will become rich or not, then click on the video appearing on the right side and watch it. Thank you.